In my last video, I discussed trends in U.S. patent filings related to UAVs. We talked about the significant rise in patent filings from less than 50 per year 10 years ago to over 1,000 per year today. We also saw how the top UAV patent filers have shifted from defense contractors to private sector companies like DJI, Amazon, and IBM. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the technologies and features that are being claimed in the latest patent filings. One way to identify the hot technologies is to look at which patents and patent applications are being cited the most in later filings. Here we limited our search to US patent filings since 2015 to make sure we're capturing the latest innovations, and surveyed those filings to see which have been cited the most. Not surprisingly, DJI, Amazon, and IBM each have patents in the top 10. IBM received US patent 10.071803 in September 2018 for a package transport container for UAVs. Since its publication in 2016, it's been cited about 150 times in later filings. This patent describes a way to route package delivery drones and make sure they leave the package at the correct location. A manifest device in the drone gathers information from the package, such as by scanning its label, and relays routing information to the UAV. There's also a locking mechanism on the container that releases the package only after verifying it's arrived at the correct coordinates of the delivery location. The container also has several recovery devices in case something goes wrong in flight, like a parachute, an airbag, and a flotation device. The next one on the list, which I found to be the most interesting, is owned by Amazon. Amazon received US patent 9421869 in 2016, and it describes a way to charge drones using existing overhead power lines. This is essentially an in-flight refueling system to address the limited range problem with drones. The patent describes how power lines constantly emit energy in the form of electromagnetic fields. Amazon proposes using a large power drone that will fly near those power lines and capture some of that energy using a wireless receptor. Other rechargeable drones can then land on the deck of that power drone, charge up, and continue along on their flight. This patent has been cited about 150 times in the short period since it was granted. Finally, the most cited was a pending patent application owned by DJI. This is publication 2016-007-0265, and it describes an environmental mapping system for drones, and it's been cited about 200 times since its publication. The drone described in this publication includes several different sensor types, such as a camera, a GPS, and proximity or range sensors like ultrasonic sensors. These sensors work together to dynamically create and store a 2 or 3D map of the environment as the drone flies along. The drone could then avoid obstacles on its own, even moving objects like aircraft, and the drone relies on the map it creates to reverse its route and fly home safely. This map can also include no-fly zones to keep the drone out of restricted airspace. So that's a quick look at a few of the technologies that are in the works for UAVs. These 3 patents illustrate where some of the main focuses are in the industry at the moment, including perfecting package delivery, increasing range, and increasing safety by avoiding collisions and airspace incursions. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.